We are going to do a walkthrough of a Mattison 404 straight line ripsaw with a laser and newer chain. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. Some prefer the Mattison 404 to even the SL52 because of its superior guide and one-piece chain. The 15 horsepower 3600 RPM direct drive motor has a maximum blade diameter of 14 inches and a minimum of 9 inches with a 1.5 inch diameter arbor. This Mattison 404 sports a newer chain, and we would easily rate it a 9+ out of 10 condition-wise. A 14-inch blade will allow for a 4-inch thickness capacity. The table measures 65 by 77 inches long. There is 30 inches of distance from the saw blade to the left edge of the table and 24.25 inches between saw blade and right support column, allowing for 24-inch rip distance to right of gauge. The 2 horsepower feed motor allows for speeds of 62, 93, 124, and 186 feet per minute.